Jatin, I am so excited to finally be speaking with you. हम कितनी बार हमने इंटरव्यूज करने की कोशिश की है, हम एक्चुअली मिलने वाले भी थे जब आप लंदन
Yes.
में थे एटीथी के लिए, लेकिन अब हम एटीथी के ही बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So huge congratulations first of all and welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anuj. You've been very patient lately and you wanted to interview me for so long, but things didn't turn out to be like the way they should be. So, but finally we are here and I'm happy talking to you. Yes.
So tell me, I mean, what a film 83 was. यशपाल शर्मा जी का किरदार आपने निभाया. Sadly उनका actually I think 2021 में उनका देहांत हुआ था.
Yes.
But आप जो प्रोसेस था 83 के लिए, कितनी बार आप उनसे मिले और उनके मतलब जो सारे मैनरिज्म थे, how much did you pick up on for the role?
First of all, that I would like to mention this one thing, that to be part of such a film is in itself a historical thing. And I am very happy to be part of, 83, the film. I'm feeling very humble and blessed that I got the opportunity to be part of this team. And to play Yashpal Sharma's character was like, something I really never thought in my life. I never thought as an actor that I would be able to, or I will be playing this character. And I never heard about him. So first, when the film was offered to me, Madan Lal's character was offered in the sense they said that you just prepare an audition of him. We want to see you in the Madan Lal's role. So I gave the audition. I prepared for Madan Lal's character. I gave them a video of my bowling action, but somehow didn't turn out to be in my favor. And Hardy Sandhu got the chance. So they again, after 8-9 months, they called me back and they said, "Okay, there is one more character we want to try you out for." And I said, "Now who is he?" They said, "Yashpal Sharma ka character hai aur bahut interesting character." And I was like, "Pata nahi Yashpal Sharma kaun hai? I never heard of him." So I searched a bit and then talked to the assistant of the casting director, Mukesh Chhabra, and he told me, "आप पाजी टेंशन मत लो, बहुत अच्छा रोल है उनका और फिल्म में एक अच्छा आर्क है. There are certain matches जो कि यशपाल शर्मा जिसके हीरो थे, be it first match against West Indies or the second league match against Australia where he put up a score of 41 runs, or semi-final where he scored 61 against England and helped out India to win the semi-finals." तो ये सब कुछ होने के बाद I was like really very excited and I said yes to the project. And then came the tough part, which was the preparation part. And we have to, play like as in like play properly. It's not like कि आपने गली cricket के तौर पे कुछ भी खेल लिया, आड़ा ताड़ा shot मारा. And team didn't want us to do that. So that's why it was like a 6-month preparation training for us. And that was exactly the way cricketers are being trained, sports person are being trained. So we went to Himachal, Dharamshala Stadium, where it was like 7 days camp to just acclimatize ourselves as in like, because we were coming to London to shoot the film. So they want us to, better be prepared with this kind of weather conditions. So 7 दिन का वो हुआ, then again Bombay में हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा preparation किया, and we also practiced in the nets of London, Oval and Tunbridge Wells. So this is how it all happened. I met Yashpal Sharma twice, and all I wanted to know was what he was going through and was thinking during the World Cup. How was he preparing himself, or how he, placed himself in the team in the way, what he was thinking, what his family was going through. So all of that, and his expressions, his body language, his mannerisms. So all that I have to remember, observe, and execute. So it was difficult, but it was not impossible. So I think now people are appreciating the part. People are really enjoying Yashpal's part. So I'm happy that finally, this 2-3 years ka jitna bhi ye raha hai struggle, from the auditions, from the filming of the movie to announcing the release twice, and then, उसको रोक दिया गया, and then finally अब जाके वो film release हुई. So I'm very happy.
Absolutely, and I think it was wonderful to see you as well. I think in the film, in fact, मुझे आपके जो one-liners है दो STD और acidity के, वो मुझे
Yes,
बहुत
yes.
ज़्यादा पसंद है. In fact, मुझे actually कभी I didn't even realize that those two could be confused so easily until I saw the film. Actually, it was quite funny. But you know, मैंने actually देखा है जतिन, आपके जो सारे roles है, भले ही वो serious film हो या serious role हो, लेकिन आप में वो एक comedic undertone होता है. तो वो कॉमेडी
Punches.
undertone कहाँ से? Is it something you bring to the character, or is it something which you get pitched to as an actor from the producers and the writers?
I think that attracts me a lot. This punch thing to make moment lighter is what I always believed has always been my forte.
Hmm.
So I all learned it from my seniors in theater. So I used to saw their plays, and they used to attract me a lot. This punch wala thing ना कि कुछ punch कर दिया, कुछ मार दिया, कुछ choke कर दिया, और छोटी सी situation में कुछ अच्छा कर दिया. So it's always been like that, and my directors don't say that to do, but I introduce myself in a way that क्या मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ? What if I can, use this line? What if I can use this word? जिससे थोड़ा सा इसको और interesting बनाया जा सके for the viewers. So whenever they say yes, you can do it, I do it. इसलिए वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Because and one more thing, I really want to do rom-coms. I want to do comedy films, and I know I will definitely rock on all of those films. So
I could
that's
see
why
you
वो
do that.
naturally आता है.
Yeah, I could see you do that actually. But I think speaking a bit more about 83, मुझे पता है 83 के बारे में क्या पसंद आया कि वो एक camaraderie थी आप सभी
Yep.
actors में से.
Yes.
There was no any sense of superiority complex, I think, in any of the actors. आप काफी मतलब हद तक आप जम रहे थे एक ग्रुप के
Yes.
तौर पर.
Yes.
अब
Yes.
तो वो जेलिंग कहाँ से हुई? Was it कबीर खान's conscious effort to make sure कि आप सब लोग एक इकट्ठा होके जेल हो, या आपके बस पर्सनालिटीज कुछ ऐसे थे कि आप बस नेचुरली जम गए?
Both the things, but initial or the first and foremost thing was the idea of Kabir Khan and Ranveer Singh that we have to put up a camp where we will have to, live together for 7 days and to practice together, to go for events together, to leave India together for the movie, in the bus, in the cab, wherever we go, we should go all along, all together.
Together.
So that was the idea which really helped us out to bond well. And second, I don't know, I think we were so blessed. This movie is so blessed in a sense. Not even a single actor had this thing ke yaar mera role chota hai, mera bada hai, yeah, I will not talk to this guy, I will not talk to that guy, ya meri usse jamti nahi, ya meri isse jamti nahi. It was never there, because Ranveer was so into all of us. He used to make it sure that everybody should hang out together and the camaraderie should be there. So because we all were looking up to him, because he's our captain, he's superstar, and उनका कहना और हमारा मानना होता था. So I think because of Kabir Khan and him, and also because हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से सब मिलते थे, बात करते थे, खाते पीते साथ में थे. Saqib was one person who was always like, सबसे बात कर रहा है, सबको ला रहा है एक साथ. Hardy used to do all of that. Me, I used to take that initiative कि चलो सारे साथ में यहाँ चलते हैं, वहां चलते हैं. Jiva, so we used to go to in search of Indian food. So जीवा ने कुछ जगह ढूंढ रखी थी जहां हम खाना खाने जाते थे, तो सब साथ में जाते थे. So this is how it happened, or the bond became so strong.
I must say Jiva was fabulous as
Yes,
Shrikant.
he was indeed, definitely.
Literally ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं साक्षात उनको ही देख रहा था जो श्रीकांत थे.
Shrikant ji ko.
हाँ, ऐसा it was literally like watching him on screen. It was very incredible. He was brilliant actually, especially that whole dosa scene. I love that scene. That was so funny.
Yes, that was a
But yeah, definitely. So I think 83 जो हुआ था, वो जो victory हुआ था, I think हम दोनों तो पैदा नहीं हुए थे, लेकिन
नहीं
हमारे
मैं बात में.
हाँ, तो मैं तो बहुत बाद में पैदा हुआ. Like I was barely a thought. I don't think I was even a thought at that point. But yeah, so I think the fact that obviously क्योंकि हम वहाँ पर नहीं थे, have people around you who were present at the time of the 83 victory, उनके क्या feelings थे फिल्म देखने के बाद? क्या वो relate कर पाए थे उस nostalgia को?
Yes, I can talk about this as in like my father told me that we were constantly listening to the commentary on radio, and we were like कि यार जीत जाए बस किसी तरह से भी इंडिया. So the जो जोश उस वक्त था उनका, वही जोश फिल्म देखते वक्त भी था. And it was like he was reliving all those moments. In fact, a very good thing Kirti sir said at the premiere कि यार हम तो खेल रहे थे तो हमें पता नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है, बट ये जो थर्ड आई व्यू हमें मिला है कि हम क्या कर रहे थे, वो हमको बहुत ही उसने मजा दिया है, उसने बहुत ही हमें खुश कर दिया है. एंड एवरी अदर पर्सन जो भी उस दौर के थे उनसे मैं मिल रहा हूँ या बात कर रहा हूँ, दे आर टेलिंग मी स्पेसिफिकली अबाउट माय कैरेक्टर कि यशपाल शर्मा क्राइसिस मैन कहा जाता था उसको. ही वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग, वेरी फर्म कि यार वो है, टिल ही इज देयर वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक के अश्योरिटी रहती थी कि जीतेगा इंडिया, मारेगा वो रन. सो ये सब सुनने के बाद इंडिया की विक्ट्री जिस तरह से उस वक्त उन्होंने सेलिब्रेट की थी विदाउट एनी रिसोर्स, और अब जब वो उसको देख रहे हैं तो उनका जो भाव है, उनके जो इमोशंस है, दे आर लाइक बहुत ऊपर है. सो यस, अच्छा ही फीडबैक सुनने को मिल रहा है. एवरीबडी इज लाइकिंग इट, मिलेनियल्स आर लाइकिंग इट सो मच.
Lerado is a very beautiful song, by the way. I mean, I think it's a new anthem I think we have. I think जब इंडिया जीतेगा ना, I think ये बस लहरा दो चलेगा. I can
लहरा दो और जीतेगा जीतेगा.
Yeah,
which is my...
It's a very cricket song. Like they're very cricket anthems actually. So I can certainly see why they will definitely play. But I think it's wonderful. But I think क्योंकि sportsman के लिए एक mentality, एक very पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशनल मेंटालिटी होनी चाहिए, राइट? स्पेशली जो क्राफ्ट है वो स्पोर्ट की, वो तो आप प्रैक्टिस कर चुके थे, यू ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस दैट. बट आई थिंक playing a sports person and a legend like Yashpal Sharma ji, what positivity has it given to you in your life as Jatin Sarna? वो जो एक mindset बदला है आपका, do you think, towards life and the way you approach things in life?
Yes, I think there are things which matches in both of us, which is like discipline, passion, focus. So I become more of a firm believer in that if you work hard, you will win, you will achieve whatever you want to. It's just that you have to keep your head high, your thoughts like brighter thoughts, and you can do anything what you want in your life. So ये मुझे कुछ सीखने को उनसे मिला है, how you can be a good family person, family man, ये सब सीखने को मिला है. एंड ऑब्वियसली अपनी सेहत का ध्यान बहुत रखते थे वो, हेल्थ कॉन्शियस थे, तो ऑल ऑफ दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प मी आउट. सो इतने बड़े लेजेंड होने के बाद भी ही वाज सो सिंपल, very simple guy. So there was everything there are many things you can learn from him. So I learned my things from him. Yes.
So but सेहत का ध्यान रखना और humble कैसे होना है एक बड़े legend होके, वो सीखा.
And everybody like Kapil Dev also was the same way, Mohindra Amarnath was same way, Madan Lal ji was same way. I met Balwinder Singh Sadhu is our coach, he was also always like that. So all of them are like that, very simple, very down to earth, humble. इतना बड़ा अचीवमेंट है लेकिन फिर भी they are very simple, common.
I think Jatin, how we met was actually through Sacred Games. I remember actually. Yes. क्योंकि बंटी का कैरेक्टर हुआ था और मुझे वो कैरेक्टर बहुत मजा आया था, लाइक देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा था वो कैरेक्टर, क्योंकि वो ग्रे भी था लेकिन उसमें कॉमेडी शेड्स भी थे और काफी मीम हो चुका है बंटी actually on social media. I'm sure you've seen the memes. Yes. But you've worked in this industry for so many years, Jatin. I mean, you've been working in this industry for a long time, but obviously Sacred Games happened, and then I think your career has basically completely changed since then. So Sacred Games से पहले life कैसी थी और अब कैसी है life, and how would you compare those two phases or describe those two phases?
Sacred Games से पहले I was learning things, and Sacred Game के बाद एक belief आया, एक responsibility add on हुई है. People now look up to you as like pro, and then you have to act like that. And for me, it's not only about acting like that, but to prove again and again that I'm not a fluke. I'm here to stay. I'm what I mean. So I'm working hard on it, And Sacred Game के बाद people have given me chances. They took me in their projects. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, but कुछ अच्छे projects आए मेरे हिस्से. Now I'm looking forward to do more and more where you can actually give responsibility on my shoulder. I want to try out my luck to do lead. As a lead, I want to, do movies, series. So I'm getting offers and I'm working on that. So a responsibility आई है, which has made me more humble and which has made me, go more deeper into the thought of acting and to practice it more, so that every time when people see me on screen, on TV screen or cinema halls, they say that this is like gem of an actor, and he's like actually a brilliant actor. So I want to do all of that.
Right, absolutely. Oh, I mean, brilliant to aap ho hi. I mean, that just goes
Yeah.
without saying. But I think because your roots are pretty much in theater, right? Like you've
Yes.
actually gone through the graft of uh doing one takes and being
Yes.
spontaneous on theater. और मुझे मालूम है कि theater करना बहुत बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. लेकिन वो जो as an actor वो क्या, I don't want to say seek, but how has that changed? I mean, अगर theater नहीं होता, I think आपकी जिंदगी में, तो how do you think you would have approached cinema now? Because obviously theater का जो एक basis होता है वो काफी अच्छा foundation होता है, because it teaches you so many things. So had that not been there, how do you think you would have turned out as an actor?
I think I would have been struggling more if I was not the part of theaters, because theater has taught me a lot. My teachers helped me out a lot. My colleagues, my co-actors, friends from theater have, shown that faith that yes, I'm doing right, I'm on right path, I'm doing good. They love my work. So अगर मैंने theater नहीं किया होता तो और लंबा रास्ता होता. And I'm really very thankful to theater कि मुझे मौका मिला to practice this art, and it has actually made me stronger. It has actually made me more uh,
Confident.
conviction आ गया उसमें, conviction है, which अगर आपने नहीं किया होता theater तो शायद I may have lacked that conviction in my work. The conviction is there, the truthfulness, the art, the skill is there, which you can only learn while doing theaters. So skill होना बहुत जरूरी है, which I think theater has given me. So the direction, whatever I have been given, the art, the formula, or to to mix your emotional and the formula, and then how to bring out the character is what I think has theater has given me.
और आई थिंक क्योंकि आजकल अगर देखा जाए वो जो एक लार्ज देन लाइफ का जो एक आइडिया था बॉलीवुड का, अभी जब मैं किसी के साथ बात करता हूँ जो बॉलीवुड से बहुत न्यू होता है, तब वो कहते हैं ओ आई लव द लार्ज देन लाइफ डांसिंग, द म्यूजिक, बेसिकली एवरी करण जौहर फिल्म एवर, बेसिकली वो उनका एग्जांपल दे देते हैं. बट आई थिंक एक बदलाव आ चुका है अब इंडियन सिनेमा में जनरली. जतिन, आई थिंक देयर इज मोर of an onus on realism and gritty characters and I don't want to say problematic, but very gray characters as well.
Yes.
तो
yes.
ये transition कितना important है I think हमारे जो society के लिए भी, क्योंकि heroes and villains तो हम खुद होते हैं, हमें खुद में होता है. There's no distinction in that in real life. So what do you make of this transition that's happening now?
See, I think it depends on the demand and then the supply. People demand, they are demanding to see that kind of cinema, that kind of realistic series. They want to see real things, and it's our duty as an makers that to provide them with that, and people are doing this. Simultaneously, larger than life things are also there. People also love that. People love Salman Bhai movies. They love Shah Rukh Khan's movies. We all love that. So they look good when they do that. They put that conviction, as I talked about. They make it believable. So that is also one part of our industry, which was the major part. तो वो भी है और ये भी है, दोनों तरह की चीजें चल रही हैं, और अच्छा है, होना भी चाहिए, बिकॉज सब एक जैसा कुछ करने लगेंगे तो देयर विल बी नो वेराइटी, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. So we have to cater people with बहुत बड़े बड़े वो जो डांस सीक्वेंस होते हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े जो सेट्स पे फिल्में बनती हैं, जो ड्रामा होता है, वो सब भी करना है और रियलिस्टिक भी करना है. So this is how we are. So we are doing both of that.
राइट लेकिन आपका काफी मन होता होगा ना लाइक आई थिंक बिकॉज बहुत सारी ऐसी जो क्रिएटिविटी उभर के आ रही है बिकॉज ऑफ द ओटीटी स्पेस काफी ऐसे कलाकार आ रहे हैं आई मीन थैंक्स टू सीक्रेट गेम्स वी गॉट टू सी मोर ऑफ यू आई मीन यू नो सो आई थिंक द फैक्ट दैट देयर इज सो मेनी अमेजिंग टैलेंट्स finally getting that due credit I guess आपका भी मन होता होगा ना explore करने का creativity and I think exploring different shades that you've not done before so what was that one thing you want to explore as an artist
I want to do dance numbers. I want to dance. I want to do music videos. I want to, do all of that. I want to do action. That action, larger than life action. I really want to do all of that. I've been huge Akshay Kumar fan, so it's always there in me that I want to, लटक जाऊं किसी हेलीकॉप्टर से और डाइव कर दूं, नाचूं, डांस करूं. So I want to do all of that. तो वो सब है and I will do that. Obviously वो सब आएगा, जिस तरह से सब्जेक्ट आएंगे वो भी किया जाएगा. So वो होगा. Yes.
But I think Jatin, it's never easy. आप कितने सालों से मेहनत करते आ रहे हो लेकिन इतने साल बाद आपको वो जो एक श्रेय मिला है, एक एक्चुअल ड्यू क्रेडिट मिला है, वो कितने सालों के बाद मिला है. And I think for you as an actor, how do you stay motivated? Because आज मुझे ये वर्ड स्ट्रगल बिल्कुल पसंद है क्योंकि बहुत ही ओवर यूज हो चुका है लेकिन एक बहुत ही पेशेंस और क्राफ्ट करनी पड़ती है. You have to really be patient for this. What keeps you motivated and how difficult was that rough patch in your career, Jatin, to initially get that break?
I think I always believe in the fact that मेरा aim क्या था? What is my aim? So I always keep that thing in my mind that I have to achieve that aim. Before that, I cannot leave the race. So that's what my thought about my professional and personal life. So when I started with the fact that मुझे star बनना है, so I constantly am working for that. एक star actor बनना है, I'm constantly working on that. और जब तक वो achieve नहीं हो जाता, I cannot, I cannot halt at some place. I cannot sit. I cannot wait. Obviously ये सारी चीजें होंगी, but मैं हार नहीं मान सकता हूँ. So that's what keep me going. My fans love, they give me the appreciation I get. Work from work, my family, my friends, people around me. So they all are the reason which keep me motivated, which always keep me, on the edge कि अब मुझे कुछ करना है, मुझे next इससे भी बढ़िया करना है, और अच्छा काम करके दिखाना है, और नया ट्राई करना है. So this is what I think always keeps me on toes कि अभी रुकना नहीं है, अभी दौड़ना है. तो स्ट्रगल आया लाइफ में बहुत होता है, चीजें होती हैं, बट मैं उसको एक एक्सपीरियंस के तौर पे लेता हूं. आई टेक इट एज पार्ट, एक पार्ट है, एक अनुभव है, उसको लिया एंड आगे बढ़ गए. सो आई डोंट ज्यादा रोता नहीं उस बात के लिए कि यार अभी ये क्या हो गया, वो क्या हो गया, आगे बढ़ो, निकलो, दौड़ो.
Yeah, I wish I could have this mindset. Honestly, this is such a beautiful mindset to have, Jatin. I think it's wonderful to hear this, and I think it's very inspiring to a lot of people watching right now who want to become actors or who are currently in that mode of trying to get their first break. So I think that's wonderful to hear that. But because 83 is such a huge film, Jatin, and I think it is a very nostalgic film for many audiences as well. Do you think that will bring has it brought a change, I think, in terms of the projects you're being approached with now?
Definitely it will. Abhi to film release hui hai, we still have like 4 days to end up with the week. So, but the response is very good. People are loving the movie. They are loving what Kabir Khan has created, what we have created. And they are liking Yashpal's character. So that means indirectly they are liking me. And I'm very happy for the fact that everybody is appreciating. Yes, definitely offers will come, and I'm being patient, and I would definitely now choose what I want to do, what it's good for me and my audience. So I'm looking forward to do good work. This is all on my mind right now.
Right. In fact, आगे जाके हम क्या देख सकते हैं actually Jatin Sarna से? Like what other works can we look forward to from you in terms of future projects?
So actually, right now I'm currently working on two projects, which are one is like series for Netflix, which has been produced by Neeraj Pandey.
Oh wow.
So I'm doing that, and the second is a movie which we are aiming to do a theatrical release or probably any other OTT. So it's a film, it's a movie called Motor Marches or Cutter. It's a very interesting story. It's a one night story, and currently I'm working on it. So these are two projects which currently I'm working on, and बाकी के जैसे आते जाएंगे, I'll keep you updated.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I'm looking forward to that, and hopefully we'll be doing more interactions as well, Jatin.
Oh,
And
definitely,
I think it's
definitely.
incredible, you know, Jatin, to see you do so well. And I think every time जब मैं आप screen पर आते थे 83 में, मेरा मतलब I was very proud and very happy. I was like, oh my God, I know Jatin. I was very happy to see you on screen.
Thank you, Anu.
And I
Thank
think
you.
this is just the first of many, many more amazing
Yes.
successes to come. And a huge congratulations on 83. And I can't wait to catch up with you again.
Thank you so much, Anu. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, for your you being patient about the interview, and finally we did it. Thank you so much.
Yes.
God bless you, and
Thank
hope
you, brother.
everything is good with you, your family.
Yes.
So
well.
we'll be in touch.
Yes.
All the
Definitely.
best.
Thank you so much,
All
Jatin.
the
Take care, buddy. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.